Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by backing up the original file. This preserves a clean reference while you work. Once done, inspect format, codec, and sample rate so tools match the source. Open the audio in a waveform editor that supports lossless export and metadata editing. You should disable real-time effects to avoid accidental re-renders, then normalize levels lightly just to reveal quiet defects. Make visual notes of dropouts, clicks, or noise. This directs your next targeted interventions. Now you move into detailed fixes using spectral analysis so you see problems you can't hear at first. Once located, use manual repair tools, heal, spectral repair, or interpolation, working on small timeframes to avoid artifacts. Make sure to solo the affected region, preview changes, and undo if tonal balance shifts. For broader hiss or hum, apply adaptive noise reduction, but preserve transients by protecting attack phases and using a high-pass filter on rumble. Check continuity across edits so edits remain imperceptible. To finish, render a lossless master and immediately perform a /B comparisons so you confirm improvements and detect hidden artifacts. You should listen at varied volumes and on different monitors or headphones to catch issues missed earlier. Update metadata and run a file integrity check, then export consumer formats like MP3 or AAC with correct bitrates. If you still hear artifacts, revert to the backup and retry with narrower repair settings or an alternate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.